Low people make them do them thing. Romeish is a businessman, make the man doing business, bro. You don't need to get involved.
Me know say Vyzbz Kartel. Nah, take no picture with that boy there where me see do video. I kiss off a man. I tell a girl say move my girl, and him kiss off a man.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll talk about Footah finally responding to the whole TJ and Romeish situation. Also, he responded about Vyzbz Kartel posing up with TikToker Jaden. He did not approve of that. We also have Oral Tracy giving his 2 cents on the situation. He said if it was him, he would have filed a lawsuit. He would have to get shares out of the Romeish company. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. So check this out.
Low people make them do them thing. Romeish is a businessman, make the man doing business, bro. You don't need to get involved. That's what the man say, will book you and cook you and take that shit serious.
So this is what Footah had posted on his page regarding TJ and Romeish. Remember, said the other day Footah and Romeish did catch up and in find back same way. And TJ did defend Romeish and attempt to facilitate. So he posted this video with the caption that says, "Look at life. The pit that they dig for God's anointed, the same one fall in it. Him get cook and him not even did book. Big up Maya, real girl, she need to find a real man. One will support, not one will support each in a plate." Tell me what you guys think about that. You feel like, say, Romeish could have still tried that with Footah. But anyway, Footah even was displeased with Vyzbz Kartel. You know, OG didn't stay. More while I have to wonder what they're saying. And I was shocked to see Vyzbz Kartel of all people were born out, you know, certain things imposed up with Jaden. But check this out.
I mean, look on the picture, and I'll know. Let me take off my glasses. I'll know. Me not believe so the picture real. Me know it have to be Photoshop. It have to be Photoshop. Me, in my right senses, and in my right frame of mind, which me know me not mad out, me know me not lose it. Zine, me know say Vyzbz Kartel. Nah, take no picture with that boy there, where me see do video. I kiss off a man. I tell a girl say move my girl, and him kiss off a man. Me know say Vyzbz Kartel. Where me know. Nah, take a picture with a youth there, where say him want eat Shensia pan or period. Me know say the Vyzbz Kartel where me know. Adija Palmer, world boss, time minister, the teacher. Nah, take a picture with a boy there where I tell the youth them say, instead of them scam and hustle, them figure name white girl and get visa. Him not doing it. If for some reason it is Vyzbz Kartel, I know the real cartel. The Gaza boss me, you know, as much as we know par in our last part there, me know him not take a picture there with that boy there. Gaza nation know that too. Something right. Something right, my dude. Bumbuckle at them boy there get hype and go. Which part? Dog, Jay's thing a chop chat fuck about the dog no know. Kartel alone a gonna away. Kartel son them know. I'm and him son them apart. I want to you. Kartel friend them know. Tommy Bright like them know. Everybody knows that that boy there fi go. So you tell me about DJ no know. How the bumbuckle do that? If the picture the real, something wrong with the Kartel there. I want to you, dog.
The tears no cuts. I'm gonna crap on camera. I'm gonna do this up here. What? I feel nothing. When me expect me what me see people dead right in front of me. And nothing when me experience in life ever make me feel way or me feel last night. And it's so funny because as I'm telling you, see, adrenaline is a serious thing. Cause all time last night, it's like my brain just dep on overdrive. I not think, I just defend myself, I just fight, I not even amidst everything until, you know, like I not even focus on what happened to me, I just focus on what happened to him, and I try to defend him. And now everything just a flashback in my mind. Every time I look my eye, I see it. It's simple. Tell you something. Just picture the person you love the most in the whole world, and picture yourself out. See 10 different man. I don't even know if 10, 3, 5, 600. A beat down, like I'm not talk about no one-on-one fight. You see a man and somebody a fight, and them a defenders. I talk about a proper beat down, kick everything over something so small. And could have met my day somewhere in my man right now. Like my man could have dead because of an ego over fuckery. One wrong lick and him could have a brain bleed. Him could have become a vegetable. Him could have dead. Literally, like I could have there right now. I'm wearing my man. See how now. You know the worst part is, in my opinion, nothing gonna come out of this. Nothing at all. But you see, if I follow my mind, man, I tell you, if I follow my mind sometimes, I can't. I don't know why I won't listen to my spirit, because all day yesterday everything I go around. When I say everything, I mean everything. Everything there's problem. Till at one point me out start feel sad and like me not in no vibes. Even when I reach the party, me not feel the energy. All me I try to drink fish, you know, really. You know that nice party vibe, I not feel it because I be a problem. Everybody else will pay for them cabana, liquor them on them table before them even reach. Our cabana, our table empty. We have to ball out with show tool. I try to find back service girl forget we'll buckle them.
So that was Maya expressing her feelings and her trauma of what she went through, and you know what she was. You know them always say, if you have a good feeling, if follow your mind, follow your good feeling. Yeah, she basically did a breakdown and tell fear side of the story. Now it's been circulating since Friday, and it has caught the attention of Cliff Hughes and Oral Tracy, and he even said that, well, there's talks. I think the Gleaner posted it saying Indicom is going to investigate that off-duty officer and Mr. Andre that was involved in the beating. So check these clips out. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates, and like the video. Check this out.
That thing now, you know, that kind of thing can like if it happen. Me don't know about the next man, you know. But if I did me, I in my lawyer office me there right away, you know. How what you talking about, man? Riches, me say.
The order by a prominent party promoter to off-duty policemen to assault a TikToker. What are the policies of the JCF with respect to moonlighting policemen? And despite the widespread circulation of the video assault on social media, why hasn't the JCF commented? Is this because the abusers are policemen? Well, this must be brought to the attention of the Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake, and the senior officers. What do they know about this incident? What is the role of the off-duty policemen? What action can be taken or will be taken against them? The party promoter has virtually admitted culpability and apologizing that he was wrong to order the attack on TJ and Moya. But to hear now that it is members of the constabulary force, shouldn't they be arrested and charged with assault? It's all on tape. Huh? But how can they continue to serve in the JCF if they are going to moonlight and take orders to carry out a criminal act?
So the Jamaica Gleaner also mentions here that police high command in the probing cops' alleged involvement in, fighting at the party. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake has confirmed that an internal investigation has commenced in relation to reports that an off-duty policeman assaulted a man and woman at a party on the weekend. So, yeah, it get really serious. It's just really disappointing what's going on. Romeish comedy fake apology. I saw a video yesterday where they said he was taking a flight, but a lot of people have been giving their 2 cents on the matter. Vyzbz Kartel posted something on his story the other day, but we're not sure if it's him or the situation. We're not sure if I Romeish him talk, but he say puppy no oof frightened. And you know the song when him always said Duppy no oof frightened. Yeah. So we all were assuming it is, at the situation in Matabo. Also, Russian made a post as well on his story. The same ladder used to climb can be the same ladder you fall off. Watch your step. So, it can be a general statement and it can be for Romeish, because the entire Jamaica, I thought about it down to Pretty Done. She no playing. Classy, wicked. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if it's your first time. Also, leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.